starting my day off with MacGyver and Lily. Lily, she is in one of those moods again, and as you can see, this is how they mate, if I can say it like that, in the wild. So yes, this is going to go on for the whole day, and usually when they are in that mood, they keep themselves separate from the other monkeys. Bella, just showing you guys, see, I can hold my own bottle. I'm a big girl now. Morning, guys. Say morning, Zena. Say good morning to everyone. So we've been having a few awesome days with the weather. I must say today is a bit chilly for me. I can feel it. And the babies, they don't mind. They are just enjoying it. But I'm in one of those moods where I'm struggling to actually do something. I am extremely lazy the last few months. I've got so much things on my plate that I want to do, that I need to do. But as soon as I find myself, it is maybe tomorrow. So I am really struggling. I want to start fixing up the cages, put some color in as well, but I can't just seem to get there. Lex, taking a little suntan. Ooh la la. Hi Lexi. I did start over there, but like I said, I can't get over that little oomph of getting into action. I don't know what's wrong with me. I'm trying my best, but yes, so hopefully I'll get into it quite soon and start fixing the cages. Lily over there. Lily! She's got a little sticky with her. Hi, Nunus. Hi, gorgeous. And yes, I don't know why they keep on throwing out the water bottles. Okay, I know why, because once again they broke it, and I know exactly who that is. Zena, was this you? Was this you, Nunus? Oh, you are a naughty little girl. Uta? And here comes little Corilla. Maddie. Hi, Nunus. Chloe over there. See, it's stuff like this I need to clean and repaint, but I can't seem to get there. I really don't know. Maybe I must get a pick-me-up, an energy drink or something. Well, I thought all the coffee would give me all that energy, but I am drained. Who did this, Zena? Did you break it? Did you break it? Did you break it? Do you want to inspect? Did you break it? Yeah. See, you broke it, my Nunus. Ay, ay, ay. Ay, ay, ay. Gorilla. Okay, so this cage is almost done. We still have a lot to do, some welding. Thank goodness I'm not doing that, because it would be one big mess. I do love tools, but I don't trust myself with it. But yeah, monkeys will be in here quite soon. They will enjoy it. Small Lily, she actually had a go last night in this cage, and she just loved it. So I'm waiting for another surprise for you guys. I don't want to spoil it until they are here, but let me quickly show you the bunnies. Hello, Nunus. So yesterday, while they were busy in the cage, this little piggy dug that hole over there, and she was running inside here, having a jaw, trying to be a monkey. So yeah, we have to fix this next, see where we can move them. I thought about putting them there where 200 was. It's a nice space, nice, big, and there's sun, there's grass, there's everything. So that would be the next project, but for now we'll just keep an eye on them. Naughty little dirty bunnies. And then this too, I got them a bigger cage, so I just need to fix it up a bit. I think they might get through the bars, I'm not sure. I don't want to take a chance, so better safe than sorry. But yes, you can see them, they are getting so big. Say hellos. Oh, just look at that fluffy, fluffy faces. I just want to kiss them non-stop. Hello, Nunus. Eating their grass, and I've got a nosy chicken on both sides. Oh, this is 200. Hey, Nunus. So yeah, need to fix their cage so I can put them in so they have more space as well. But the thing is, they love the shade. They don't really come out during the day. They're more nighttime animals as far as I know. And yes, hopefully they'll enjoy the new cage. Hi, Gaga. Hi, Nunus. Oh, don't be shy. Don't be shy. Don't be shy. Okay, I'll leave you. I'll let you be. I'll let you be. Mila. En nou het sy 'n ander sokkie ook. Ooh. Och jete. Och jete. Kom kyk nou. Mila. Mila. Milaatjie. Oh, Mila, meisje. Oh, ek het jou gemis. Oh, my. Hi. Vicky. Sorry. Hi, sorry. Was jy? Hallo, Suri. Hallo, Suri. Ach, Vicky. Chucky. Hallo, Chucky. Hallo, Chuck. Oh, jette, jy's te mooi. Hallo, Chucky. Oh, kyk haar gesiggie. Oh, Mila.
Ek sê dit is al 'n paar maar verskillende maats.
Wow. Hallo. Hallo. Dis baie gemakliker.
Ja. Hy is vreeslik oulik, want ek sien hy staan sy agtervoetjies is maar vir op hom. Vyf is sy armpies.
Jy het 'n mooi gesiggie. Ja. So I'm not sure how long our lockdown has been already. I think it's 100 and something in the 20 days. And that is when last Suri and Rafiki came to play with the other monkeys. They've been in lockdown since then, and today's the first day for them actually coming to interact with other monkeys. And as you can see, Suri, she's a lekker windgat. These two babies, we won't be putting them in as you know. They are a bit small, so I don't want to take any chances. Hey, putakies. Oh, look at Mila. and Zazu. They are just adorable. He is just holding on for dear life. He thinks we're going to remove him, but we're not. We're not. But yeah, just look at these babies, and for some reason they are really attached to Xena. So they really like Xena. I thought they might actually forget about these monkeys and the cage and everything, that everything would be new. But as you can see, they are just loving it. They remember everybody, they remember the setup, and they just feel at home. They look at home. I'm so glad they came to visit us. Yes, went to Pick and Pay for the monkey food and rescued another 2 chickens from being slaughtered. So I paid 200 Rand for both of them. Okay, we're almost home. So taking them home so they can join the chicken family. Ay, they are so beautiful, look at them. That's the leaves Chloe keeps stealing from Michael's windows. Yeah, so I don't know how long that's gonna last, but now all the babies are tucked into bed and fast asleep. So now it's bonding time with Bella and Chloe. Chloe wants to go to sleep, but Bella's a handful. I gave her a nickname, and that is Bibi. That is short for Bella Brat, because she gets away with everything. Now she's trying to steal the cables, and yeah. So Bella is new Bibi. But that is it for us for tonight, guys. Thank you all for watching. To all the newcomers, welcome, and all please remember to like and subscribe.